Did you know that avocados might just be your skin's new best friend? While many slather on creams and serums, the secret to glowing, healthy skin could be sitting right in your kitchen. Avocados are packed with essential fatty acids, primarily omega-3s, which are known to nourish and hydrate the skin from within. These healthy fats help maintain the skin's lipid barrier, crucial for retaining moisture and protecting against environmental damage. Additionally, avocados are rich in vitamins E and C, both powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing signs of aging and promoting a youthful glow. Vitamin E supports skin repair and improves overall texture, while vitamin C boosts collagen production, crucial for maintaining skin's elasticity. Beyond these vitamins, avocados contain carotenoids, compounds that contribute to radiant skin by enhancing its natural barrier functions. Regular consumption of avocados can lead to noticeable improvements in skin tone, moisture levels, and resilience. So, next time you're planning your meals, consider adding more avocados to your diet. Not only do they taste great, but their skin benefits might just outshine many traditional skincare products. Embrace the power of natural nutrition, and let avocados help you achieve the healthy skin you've always desired.